Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're here once again in an overview video of the art that I've done on Procreate um in the last year basically. So I've been breaking it up into 8 to 10 minute segments because it would be way too long for one video. So we got through December last year, we got to New Year's, and I think now we're in January, but there's tulips because I was really wanting spring. Usually by the time Christmas and New Year's is over, I'm already wanting spring. Yeah, all right. So I did this on January the 19th of 2022. So we're now into 2022. And I just really wanted to do the tulips. I wanted to try flowers. And I thought it was really pretty. I followed a tutorial that I found online. I don't remember who did this tutorial. I I just totally don't remember, but I thought it was really pretty. Um, Now looking at it after a few months more, I could have done a lot more to make this look more three-dimensional. But this is how the tutorial was, and I wanted to follow it exactly, and that's what I did. And I think it's very pretty. And I love squirrels. If you watch my channel, you know how much I love squirrels. So I did this for National Squirrel Day, and I wanted something to put up on my Facebook to wish everybody happy National Squirrel Day. So this is something I did on my own. Um, yeah. I I just I don't know where I saw the picture of the squirrel. I googled pictures of squirrels and cartoon pictures of squirrels. I don't remember actually, but I did this on January 21st and I like it. I think it's really cute. And I do love squirrels. And here I did not write this myself. I figured out that I could use font on on my iPad, which really made me happy because my handwriting is terrible. So yeah, I think this is the second squirrel I did with my iPad. And yeah, this my first squirrel was down here in December. I do love squirrels. Or no, that might be my third squirrel. Yes, that was my third squirrel. This was my first squirrel down here. Anyway, the next one I did was this beautiful scene. One of my favorites. This is from James Jr. Art tutorial. I can't remember the name of this channel, but if you Google James Julier on YouTube, you'll find it, and he's awesome. So this is I think a sunset scene. Yeah, a snowy sunset he called it. And this just still is one of my favorite ones that I've done. I love that I learned how to do rocks covered with snow and a pathway and the way the snow looks and snow covered trees. Just really beautiful. And there's the sun and the colors of the sky. If I make it a little bit bigger, I made this on January 21st. And I just absolutely love this. I mean, I could do one of his tutorials every day and probably still not catch up with all the tutorials he has on YouTube. He's like amazing, the artwork that he does. I really love his work. And I like even now looking at this, I can't believe I painted this. And then I did another one by the same artist. This was also a tutorial by James Julier Art Tutorials. And I was in a beachy mood and I did this and I fell in love with the results of this. I still think this is gorgeous. So now we're into February. I did this February 7th, and every February I am so sick of winter and snow and ice and dreaming of coming to the cottage and our camp, as I call it, and just wanting to see the big waves. And yeah, I haven't seen any big waves since I've been out though. It's been pretty calm. There was one day where we had little waves, but no big waves. Lake Superior has really big waves. Lake Superior is like an inland ocean, and sometimes like the waves are huge, but I haven't seen that yet this year while I've been out here. Probably in my week of September that I'm here, I'll probably see it then. That's usually when we get the big waves. But look how gorgeous. I really was so happy with the way this came out. I learned how to do the different like areas of the wave coming in over the sand. My problem is I don't retain the information, you guys. So if I try to do this again on my own, I can't replicate it. I'd have to watch the whole tutorial again. Like I could do this part here, but I probably couldn't do any of this part here. got this part here down. So I guess I am learning. But yeah, this one still makes me happy. Like, look at the wet sand. Like, this still just, I feel like I'm sitting at the beach. I really love this one. So yeah, February 7th, I was in a beachy mood. And now, as I'm recording this video, I'm sitting on the couch at camp looking at the lake out the window. It's beautiful. And by the time you watch this, I'll be home again in my room and wishing I was back at camp looking at the lake. And then that brings us to the war in Ukraine. I did this one February 25th. And I think the candle itself, the candle part, was an art with flow tutorial, I believe. And the rest was me putting prayers for the Ukraine on here. So yeah, and I put this up on my Facebook as well. I was just really shocked when that whole war started. I think I'm still in shock. What a crazy years we've had, you guys. Pandemics and wars and oh my gosh. What's next? UFOs probably. Although they have said that there are UFOs that they're real, but who knows, right? But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this one came out. And no, now we're into March. Yeah, so anyway, you guys, I think I'm gonna stop here. I want to keep these videos relatively short. I don't think anything over 10 minutes is good on my channel. So I'm gonna stop here. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know which one you liked the best. If you heard any noises in the background, I totally tune her out sometime, but my parrot is just sitting a few feet away from me, so be quiet now. But any noises you heard in the background, that was my African gray parrot, Smokey. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.